Hello friends, welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the thumbnail, it's an IPSY unbagging. I just filmed a video talking about where I've been for the last couple of months, why I haven't been filming. So I will link that down below, or it should be the last video here on my channel. And I mentioned this would probably be my first video that I did when I came back because this is super quick and easy for me. I always enjoy it. And I received this, I just hit myself with it. I received this, I want to say like within the last week, and I have no memory of what I asked for as the one product I can request, and I'm super excited to see what I get. So as a reminder, IPSY is a subscription service. Here in Canada, it costs about $20 a month, depending on the exchange rate at the time. You get 5 sample size products in here. Generally, you get to choose one of them, or you can just say, surprise me. I like to get things that are masks, like skincare masks. I like to get new mascaras to try. I like to what else, other stuff do I like to get? Hair products, I don't know, like the stuff I'm not super jazzed about is like brushes, because I have a ton of them, pencil eyeliners, because I don't tend to use them that much, or like super bold makeup, because I'm not super into that lately, but we'll see. I'm always excited to see what I get in here, and I always play around with the stuff that I do get, so let's check it out. This should be March's, of course, because this is like March 26th right now, and I got this within the last week, so we will see. So there's something outside of the bag, which is stuck to me at this point. So we're going to not look at that, and we're going to look at the bag first and just see what this looks like. So it's just a little bag that says Power Moves. It's sort of a faux plasticky, well, it's probably plastic, very spring vibes to it. I don't know if this is supposed to do something, but yeah, I'm sure this ties into the theme of the bag. The only reason I tend to reuse these is if it can be used as like a nice little clutch or something, which this one, not so much, but because it seems pretty waterproof, I do think this would probably be good to keep as a travel bag to put some things into if I'm worried about them spilling. So that's always good. Let's see what the one item is that came outside of the bag, and it is this. This is the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. This may have been what I asked for because I super love gloss and lip mask products. I have a bunch of them. I can never get enough. I'm constantly trying to like hydrate myself, especially in the winter. So this says it is clean, cruelty-free, dermatologically tested for soft, plump lips. Daily lip treatment with melt-in hydration, gentle exfoliation for softer, plumper lips. It has papaya enzyme ferment, prebiotic, gently exfoliates to smooth out lips, hyaluronic acid, which of course attracts moisture in the atmosphere, and sea buckthorn berry, which is a superfruit that protects and restores the lip barrier. So apply an even layer to lips daily whenever you need a boost of hydration or wear as an overnight mask. Okay, I do like the color of their packaging and like their packaging in general. I think it's really pretty. And it's just one of those little like sort of plastic shape things. I'm just curious if this has a color to it. It does not seem to, but it's a very, not thick as in like moisturizer, but thick as in almost like a little tacky. It seems like if you put it on your lips, it would stay there for a while. I'm not gonna do it now because I have a lip product on and has a little bit of a scent, maybe a little sweet smelling. So yeah, I will definitely use this. Any kind of like lip hydration or gloss product, sign me up. Oh, and for Christmas, I got some of the Maybelline, what are their gloss products? It'll come to me, I'll put it here if I don't remember. I got 2 of those and I love them. They're basically like a little bit of a dupe for the Fenty, is it lip balm? Glass lip? You can tell I haven't filmed in a while because I'm not remembering anything. This is why editing Melissa has to like add in so much stuff, is when I don't remember what I'm talking about. So let's open up the bag and we will see what the theme is for this month. I'm gonna guess it's spring related. So the theme, of course, is Power Moves, which goes with the bag, and it says, who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss, whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing. Okay, so they don't talk about what the products are in here. They just talk about some information about skincare ingredients, so we can skip that. Yeah, there's nothing that specifically gives information about the products in my bag. I find sometimes they do that and sometimes they don't. They really seem to go back and forth. Okay, so we have a lot of squeezy tubes in here, but this feels like it might be a powder product, so let's start with that. Okay, I've never heard of this. This is Treluce Beauty Beautiful Bella Shadow Quad. Okay, so it's an eyeshadow quad. There we go. Let's see. I'm going to assume those are the colors. Can I get that to focus? Yeah. This may be something that I gift on to like my nieces because I have a fair amount of eyeshadow and I don't use a lot of eyeshadow, but it's quite nice packaging, especially for like a little sort of IPSY size product. This nice matte dark blue. Oh, and there you go. The two browns are mattes. If I can get that to focus. And then the gold and the green are shimmers. There you go. So it's nice enough. I will say not like super summery colors, but you could make like a pretty nice little look with this, just with a little pop of color. But yeah, I'm gonna see possibly if somebody else wants that because it's pretty, it's nice, it's a good size for an IPSY product, but I definitely have those colors in my eyeshadow already. And I'm pretty sure everything left is squeezy tubes. So let's grab this one. And this is from a brand I've not heard of, Sorosai. Low Hyaluronic Tangerine Booster Serum. Breathe comfortably. Okay, so I'm going to assume this is a skincare product, although the breathe comfortably part is a little confusing. What does it say? The highly concentrated green tangerine extract, which improves to even out skin texture and lighten hyperpigmentation. It further enhances the absorption, moisturizing power, and elasticity and softness of the skin for the next skincare routine. Apply onto entire face to retain moisture. Okay, that's a little... It's not as much information as I would like to have about this. I'll probably end up looking up their website. I've never heard of green tangerine as a product or ingredient. I do really like their packaging, that's very pretty, but I'm going to do a little bit more research on this before I use it. I never mind testing out a new serum or a new skincare product, but when it's a sample size, you know, you only get like a couple of uses, so unless it does something very immediate, you don't tend to see the benefit from it. This thing I'm holding onto now is the tiniest squeezy tube ever, like tinier than my pinky finger. This is, oh, it's from Winky Lux. I really like Winky Lux as a brand. This is Peeper Perfect. I'm going to guess this is an eyeshadow primer, but oh my god, that's hard to read. It says this in the shade Fair. So again, with how tiny this is, I'm going to guess, oh yeah, it looks like it's a, you can barely see it there against my skin. It looks like it's a, oh, an actually pretty opaque. Because it's called Peeper Perfect, yeah, I'm gonna guess that's an eyeshadow base. Okay, it's been a while since I've tested an eyeshadow base, so that could be fun. But again, I don't actually wear that much eyeshadow. My day-to-day go-to is I will use like some eyeliner, usually like a liquid liner, mascara, and then I might take whatever blush I'm using on a fluffy brush and sort of put it into my crease a little bit, maybe do a little bit of some kind of like very light sparkle or something in my inner corner and like pulled out onto my lid, but I don't use a huge amount of eyeshadow on a daily basis. Okay, last product. Here we have something from Shades of Shan, or Shades by Shan, which actually I've used one of their products or received one of their products before. So it's a hydrating primer, okay? I do wear foundation and stuff still, and I do test out different primers. So hydrating primers sound awesome. I'm gonna do a little bit more research into this too, because it doesn't say a huge amount about it here. It's wrapped up. Let me see if there's more information under here. They print it like the ingredients on the outside wrapper. Oh no, there's not much information underneath. Just nourishing, hydrating, silicone-free, smooth makeup application. Okay, I can test it out and see. I will say, not wanting to sound negative because I always enjoy opening all of this and I will try out all of it or gift it to somebody who will. This is not like my most favorite bag. I think what I'm most excited about is the product that I know I chose for myself, which is the lip mask. I'll probably try the serum and the primer and the eyeshadow base. I just won't get a huge amount of use out of it. And as I said, the eyeshadow I'll probably pass along. But I mean, it's always nice to get a little like gift to yourself once a month and not know what it is that you're getting. So yeah, I'm excited about trying out the different products. I'm mostly excited about trying out the lip mask because it seems like the kind of thing that's going to stay on my lips overnight and hopefully leave them like beautifully hydrated in the morning. So thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. That helps out my channel. Please let me know if you received IPSY, what products you received, or if you received any of this or a completely different bag. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.